Hello friends, myself Komal Tambe. Today my seminar topic is vitamin D resistance rickets. In this topic we will discuss about first one, definition of vitamin D resistance rickets. Second one, character of vitamin D resistance rickets. Third one, inheritance structure. And last one is main cause of rickets. So let's start our seminar topic. Definition of vitamin D resistance rickets. Hypophosphatemia rickets, previously called as vitamin D resistance rickets, is a disorder in which the bone becomes painfully soft and bend easily due to low level of phosphate in the blood. Symptoms usually begin in the early childhood. Major symptoms of vitamin D deficiency rickets includes bone deformities and bone pain and slow growth. There are some characters of vitamin D resistance rickets. Hypophosphatemia rickets is a disorder characterized by hypophosphatemia. It is usually hereditary. Symptoms are bone pain featured and growth abnormalities. The defective intestinal absorption of calcium and rickets or osteomalacia unresponsive to vitamin D. The causes of vitamin D rickets are rare inherited problems. Also can rickets vitamin D helps your child's body absorb calcium and phosphorus from food. The most common cause of rickets is a vitamin D deficiency. Rickets is a condition that results in weak or soft bones in children. Rickets occurs relatively commonly in the Middle East, Africa and Asia. Next one is inheritance structure. The inheritance structure of vitamin D resistance rickets is X-linked dominant. Suppose there is unaffected father and carrier mother who will probably form F1 progeny such as unaffected son or unaffected daughter or carrier daughter or affected son. The inheritance structure probably forms 50% son affected or 0% daughters affected. Last one is main causes of rickets. The most common cause of rickets is lack of vitamin D or calcium in child's diet. Both are essential for children to strong and healthy bones. Source of vitamin D is sunlight. Your skin produced vitamin D. When it's exposed to the sun and we get most of our vitamin D this way. The storage of fat cells and effectively reduce the fat accumulation in the body. They can cause. Thank you. This is all about vitamin D resistance rickets.